Hey guys, welcome back to Millie Recipes, and today we are making caramelized fruit punch soda. So for the caramelization of fruits, let's see our ingredients. We have one sliced or chopped apple. Then we have handful of black grapes. You can use blackberries, raspberries, any fruit according to the availability. Now we have 100 grams of sugar. So first, in a pan we are going to add our sugar. So once the sugar starts melting, we are going to add our apples. We are going to stir this really well. Make sure to combine the apples. So you can cut your apples as per desired shape. You can even slice them or even cut in round shapes as per your liking. So I've just chopped it, very basic, very regular. And now we're going to wait until it melts. So I've turned my flame to low so that it takes all the time it needs to really caramelize, and we can get all the juices really well into this pot, all the juices from the apple and the black grapes that we're going to add in the later stage. So don't rush with it, let it take its own time. So now we are adding in our grapes. This is a really slow cooked soda that I've ever made. So let it take all its time. Just keep stirring constantly. Let the grapes turn color, let them give out their color. The color looks really good. It has turned like purple, but we're gonna cook it for more time. Let the apples truly get caramelized, and then you know it that it's done. So we're gonna wait until the apple truly caramelizes. We're not adding salt here. You can add a little bit of salt to just kick in the flavor of caramelization, but we're not adding it because when we're going to further proceed with this drink, we'll be adding a little bit of salt. So I've just tasted this, and the caramel has already started to taste a lot of little tangy, a little salty, without even adding any acid or any salt to this. So this is all kudos to the grapes that has been working really fine and really well with this, and it has started to bring out the real flavor of this drink. So I've been working around this for like about 8 to 10 minutes now, and now I can see all the sugar starting to really combine well. The grapes have lost their juices and mixed into the sugar syrup, and then even the apples have started to change their color and they've become a little bit soggy, and they've started to give out their juices. So we're gonna cook this for like around 4 minutes now on low heat, and then we'll further proceed. You can also toss in some pineapples if you love the flavor of pineapple, or you can just add it later in your drink. I think those work really well, but make sure to have a little bit of black grapes or blackberry or raspberry in this, because that is what is going to give this drink a real punch. I've also used apples because when you tend to use apple in a drink, it tries to give a really nice and a really blended flavor. So that's the reason for using apple. So we've passed our time of 4 minutes. So now we are just gonna turn off the flame and let it rest for a while. Let it cool down. We'll now let it cool down and wait. So we're now heating a tawa because we'll be roasting zeera. I'm using half teaspoon of zeera. So our pan or our tawa is really hot. So now we are just gonna add our zeera. So adding Zeera is absolutely optional. I'm doing it because I really love the flavor of Zeera, but you can go without it. You can just add the caramelized fruits, mint leaves and lemon that I'll be showing you. But if you're a big fan of Zeera, then go ahead and add it. So now we'll be waiting for it to actually roast and get a good color. Our Zeera is now toasty, so we'll just keep it aside, turn off the heat. So now we have a mortar and a pestle. So we are first gonna add some mint leaves. Then we're going to start adding a little bit of Zeera. Then I've sliced lemon here, one full lemon, so I'll be adding most of it. I've used a really fresh lemon. Now we're going to add a little bit of black salt. Now we're going to add a little bit of white salt. Now we'll be adding our prepared caramel fruit punch. Add generously. So we'll start by pounding it. Pound it, start slow. Make sure all the ingredients combine really well. Mix this really well. And now keep this aside. So we have a glass full of ice here. So now we are going to start adding our pounded fruit punch mixture. We're going to also add some of the pulp that is left from the seeds and the grapes. Now we're going to add another layer of ice. Now we'll add in our sparkling water. So this is it guys for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this special drink. Do give it a try and comment down below how you like it and if you like it at all. I think it's a really good drink. It really has that sweetness, that sour, that saltiness to it, and of course the fruits. So I love this drink. I hope you all like it too. Thank you for watching this.